Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Yeah, next let us see the second problem, that is in a village 1/3 of the people are literates. If 100 investigators meet 5 persons each to see if they are literates, then how many investigators would you expect to report that one is no literates, the second sub question is one literate, and third sub question is at least 2 literates, at most 2 literates, less than 2 literates, 4 or more literates, and the last sub question is more than 4 literates. Okay, now in our problem the given observations are, one is 1/3, next is 5, the next one is 100. Okay, we know that here 1/3, that is probability term. So, we can write that P is 1/3. Okay, this is equal to 1/3 is, we can write 1/3 is 0.33. Okay. Now, see here, then two more observations are there, one is 100, another one is 5. So, here 5 is sample size, then 100 is population size. We know that how to write population size. So, population size in terms small letter n. So, here 5 is small letter n is 5, then population, this is sample size, then population size in terms capital letter N. So, here capital letter N is 100. Okay. Here small letter n is sample size, capital letter N is population size, and here we know that P, then we can easily calculate Q, that is Q is 1 minus P, this is equal to 1 minus 0.33. Okay. This is equal to, so 1 minus 0.33 is 0.67. Okay, here we got the value P, N, capital letter N and Q. Okay, we know that parameter of Poisson binomial distribution is P and N. Okay, here next we need to write X. Here X is value of variable. So, here X is number of literates in a sample of 5 persons. Okay, X is number of literates in a random sample of 5 persons. Okay. Now, we know that X, here X follows binomial distribution with parameter N and P. Here N is 5, P is 0.33. So, I will substitute the values, that is X follows binomial, N is 5, P is 0.33. Okay, next I will write probability mass function, that is PMF, that is P of X is equal to NCX P to the power X Q to the power N minus X. Here X range is, X is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to N. Okay, next this is P of X is equal to, we know the value of N, P and Q. Okay, I will substitute that values here, that here N is 5. So, NCX, that is 5CX into P is 0.33 to the power X and Q is 0.67 to the power N is 5 minus X. Here X takes the value, see here N is 5. So, X takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I will write here, okay, X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here x takes the value 0 to 5. Why? Because here small letter n, sample size is 5. Okay, next let us see the first sub question, that is probability of getting no literates. Probability of getting no literates, in the sense we can write P of no literate. This is equal to P of 0. Okay, see here P of x is there, here P of 0. So instead of 0 here, instead of x here 0 is there. So in the place x write 0, that is 5C0, 0.33 to the power x, that is 0, 0.67 to the power 5 minus 0. Okay, this is equal to 5C0, that is 1, into 0.33 to the power 0, that is 1, into, okay, here 5 minus 0, that is 5 only. So 0.67 to the power 5, then answer is 0.135. Okay, this is equal to 1 into 0.135, the answer is 0.135. Okay. Now see here one more question is there. We need to calculate how many investigators would you expect to report that no literates. Okay, here capital letter N is there, that is 100. Okay, now we need to calculate here number of investigator, number of investigator reported that no literates Okay, this is equal to, how to calculate number of investigators reported that no literates. This is equal to capital letter N into, here no literates, that is P of 0. So capital letter N into P of 0. See here capital letter N is 100, then P of 0 is 0.135. Okay, this is equal to 100 into 0.135, then answer is 13.50. We can write approximately 14. Okay, so number of investigators reported that no literates are 14. Okay, next let us calculate one literate, probability of one literate, that is P of one literate. This is equal to P of 1. Okay, see here in the place x, here 1 is there, so instead of x we have to write 1. This is equal to 5C1, 0.33 to the power 1 and 0.67 to the power 5 minus 1. Okay, this is equal to 5C1 is 5 into 0.33 to the power 1 is 0.33 into, here 5 minus 1 is there, that is 4, then 0.67 to the power 4 is 0.201. Okay, this is equal to 5 into 0.33 into 0.201 is 0.33. Okay. Now next we need to calculate number of investigator, reported that one literate, that is N into P of 1. Okay, we know that capital letter N is 100. 100 into P of 1 is 0.33. This is equal to 100 into 0.33 is 33.16. Okay, we can write approximately 33. This is the answer of number of investigator reported that 1 liter rates, that is 33. Okay, next let us move to third sub question, that is at least 2 liter rates. Okay, how to write probability of at least 2 liter rates, that is P of at least 2 liter rates. Okay, this is equal to, we can write it as P of x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, this is equal to, we know that how to write P of x is greater than is equal to 2, we can write 1 minus P of x less than 2. Okay, this is equal to 1 minus, so x less than 2 in the sense here 2 values are there, that is P of 0 plus P of 1. Okay, here P of probability of x less than 2, we can write 2, there are 2 observations are there, less than observation, that is P of 0 and P of 1. Okay. Now we will substitute the values, 1 minus P of 0 in the sense 5C0, 0.33 to the power 0 into 0.67 to the power 5 minus 0. Okay, this plus next P of x, P of 1, that is 5C1, 0.33 to the power 1, 0.67 to the power 5 minus 1. Okay, this is equal to 1 minus, here 5C0 is 1 into 0.33 to the power 0 is 1 into, here 5 minus 0 is there, so 5 minus 0 5, then 0.67 to the power 5 is 0.135 plus here 5C1, that is 5 into 0.33 to the power 1, that is 0.33 into, see here 5 minus 1 is there, so 5 minus 1 is 4, next 0.67 to the power 4 is 0.20. Okay, this is equal to 1 minus 1 into 0.135 is 0.135 plus here 5 into 0.33 into 0.20 is 0.33. Okay, this is equal to 1 minus, okay, first I will solve inside the bracket, that is 0.135 plus 0.33 is 0.465. Okay, this is equal to 1 minus 0.465 is 0.53. Okay, 1 minus 0.465 is 0.53. So, probability of at least 2 liter rates is 0.53. Okay, now we need to calculate number of investigator reported that at least 2 liter rates this is equal to n into at least 2 liter rates. We can write that P of x greater than or equal to 2, this is equal to, here n is 100, P of x greater than or equal to is 0.53. So, this is equal to 100 into 0.53 is 53. So, number of investigator reported that at least 2 liter rates, that is 53. Okay, next let us go to the fourth sub question, that is at most 2 literates. So, probability of at most 2 literates, we can write that P of x less than or equal to 2. See here, probability of x less than or equal to 2, in the sense we have to consider 3 values, that is 0, 1 and 2. So, this is equal to, here probability is there. So, P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. Okay, this is equal to P of 0. So, we can write P of 0 is NC0 0.33 to the power 0 and 0.67 to the power 5 minus 0. Okay, here n is 5, here n is 5. So, 5C0 0.33 to the power 0, 0.67 to the power 5 minus 0, plus next P minus P of 1, that is 5C1 0.33 to the power 1 and 0.67 to the power 5 minus 1, plus next P of 2, probability of 2, that we can write 5C2 0.33 to the power 2 and 0.67 to the power 5 minus 2. Okay, this is equal to, here 5C0, that is 1 into 0.33 to the power 0, that is 1 into 0.67 to the power 5 minus 0. See here 5 minus 0, in the sense 5. So, 0.67 to the power 5 is 0.135 plus 5C1, that is 5 into 0.33 to the power 1, that is 0.33 into, here 5 minus 1 is there. So, that is 4, 0.67 to the power 4 is 0.20 plus here 5C2, that is 10 into 0.33 to the power 2, that is 0.10 into, here 5 minus 2 is there. So, 5 minus 2 is 3, next 0.67 to the power 3 is 0.30. Okay, this is equal to 1 into 0.135 is 0.135 plus 5 into 0.33 into 0.20 is 0.33 plus here it is 10 into 0.10 into 0.30 is 0.3. Okay, this is equal to 0.135 plus 0.33 plus 0.3 is 0.765. This is probability of at most 2 literates. Okay, next we need to calculate number of investigator reported that at most 2 literates. Okay, this is equal to, formula is n into, here number of, here at most 2 literates is P of x less than or equal to 2. Okay, I will substitute the values. Here n is, capital letter N is 100 and probability of x less than or equal to 2 is 0.765. This is equal to 76.5. This is approximately, we can write 76. Okay, next let us see the fourth sub question, that is less than 2 literates. Okay, that is probability of less than 2 literates. Okay, this is equal to less than 2 literates. that is here two values are there less than 2 literates. So, we can write it as probability of 0 plus probability of 1. Okay, this is equal to, in the formula, that is PMF, NC, here N is 5, 5C 0 and 0.33 to the power 0 and 0.67 to the power 5 minus 0 plus 5C1 0.33 to the power 1 and 0.67 to the power 5 minus 1. Okay, this is equal to 5C0 is 1 into 0.33 to the power 0 is 1 into 0.67 to the power 5 is 0.135 plus 5C1 is 5 and into 0.33 to the power 1 is 0.33 into 0.67 to the power 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So, 0.67 to the power 4 is 0.20. Okay, this is equal to 1 into 1 into 0.135 is 0.135 plus here 5 into 0.33 into 0.23 is 0.33. Okay, this is equal to 0.135 plus 0.33 is 0.46. Okay, next we need to calculate number of investigator. Reported that less than 2 literates that is n into P of 0 plus P of 1. Okay, this is equal to, here n is 100 into P of 0 plus P of 1 is 0.46. This is equal to 100 into 0.46 is 46.5. Okay, we can write approximately 47. Okay, this is the calculated answer of number of investigator reported that less than 2 literates. Okay, next we are going to calculate probability of getting 4 or more literates. Okay, now see here in our range, that is range is 0 to 5, here 4 or more literates, in the sense here two values are there, one is 4 another one is 5. Then probability of 4, this is equal to, we can write probability of 4 and probability of 5. Okay, probability of 4 plus probability of 5. This is equal to, we can substitute these values in the formula, that is 5C4 0.33 to the power 4, 0.67 to the power 5 minus 4 plus, next P of 5 is 5C5 0.33 to the power 5, then 0.67 to the power 5 minus 5. Okay, this is equal to 5C4 is 5 into 0.33 to the power 4 is 0.011 into, see here 5 minus 4 is 1, then 0.67 to the power 1 is 0.67 plus here 5C5, that is 1 into 0.33 to the power 5 is 0.0039 into, see here 5 minus 5, so 5 minus 5 is 0, 0.67 to the power 0 is 1. This is equal to 5 into 0.011 into 0.67 is 0.036 plus here 1 into 0.0039 into 1 is 0.0039. This is equal to 0.036 plus 0.0039 is 0.040. Okay, next we need to calculate number of investigator reported that four or more literates that is n into P of 4 plus P of 5. Here n is 100 into P of 4 into P of 4 plus P of 5 is 0.040. This is equal to 100 into 0.040 is 4. Okay, this is the answer for number of investigator reported that 4 or more literates. Okay, here the last sub question is more than 4 literates. Okay, now we need to calculate probability of more than 4 literates. See, in our given range, that is 0 to 5, more than 4 observation, I mean more than 4 literate is only one value, that is we can write that P of 5. So, probability of 5. Okay, this is equal to 5C5 0.33 to the power 5 and 0.67 to the power 5 minus 5. Okay, this is equal to 5C5 is 1 into 0.33 to the power 5 is 0.0039 into, see here 5 minus 5, so 5 minus 5 is 0. So, 0.67 to the power 0 is 1. This is equal to 1 into 0.0039 into 1 is 0.0039. Okay, this is probability of more than 4 literates. Next, we need to find number of investigator reported that more than 4 literates that is n into P of 5. So, here we know that n is 100, P of 5 is 0.0039, then the answer is 0.39. Okay, this is approximately 0. Okay, so that here it is number of investigator reported that more than 4 literates are 0.